Today, I want to tell you about a special experience when I was in elementary school. At that time, our physical education teacher, Mr. Rudy, often took us walking around the hills and along the river near our school. One day, when we were walking with him along the riverbank, my friends and I jumped into the river and swam. Our other friends shouted at us, but we didn't listen. Suddenly, Mr. Rudy saw us when we were swimming in the river. He shouted at us to swim to the riverbank. He told us that it was very dangerous to swim there. We were scared and we climbed out of the river. We were sorry because we didn't obey our teacher. From this experience, I learned that we must listen to our teacher and obey their advice. I hope you liked my story and thank you for listening.